Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Dewalt 20 volt max 18 gauge brad nailer. Here I've got some wood. Let's see how it works. You're going to push down and then pull the trigger. Push down, it activates it. Pull the trigger, then it sets the nail. We can go to double or we can go to multiple. Press that switch now. When I pull the trigger, every time I push down, it's going to set a nail. Okay, so you do have to put a 20 volt max battery on there. Very easy. It's got lights, switch. Here's where the brad nails are going to go. I've got 1 inch in there right now. They're very easy to put in. Just slide them in. Push this down. Over on this side is the depth. Now it's a little bit different than what you would think. You have to look at the picture. And this is the thumb wheel. So how far down do you want the nail to go into the wood? Now, the farther that this little indicator is, see that little indicator? The farther it is towards the nail, the higher it's going to be out of the wood. So it's a little opposite of what you would think. So move that. If you want it really far in the wood, you're going to go just the opposite. You're going to move that little indicator this way so that it sinks it farther. And now when I push down, the nail's going to go in there a lot farther. You know, it's relatively lightweight. It's well balanced, easy to put in. We have a little indicator here when we start getting low on nails. You can see that turns yellow. If you get a jam, you're simply going to put it in lock, take the battery out, open this up. Very easy to remove a jam. Put it back. You got to lift this lever up, put that in that little latch. This is also a release also. If the pin gets stuck down, you're going to want to push this up to release it. Yeah, just really nice. I like the LED light. You can put this hook on the other side if you want. And there's the adjustment. It does come with extra bumpers that are right here. So if you lose that little bumper, you can put one of those on. There's the different brad nails, 1 inch that I put into this wood. Now it will use 18 gauge brad nails, 5/8 to 2 1/8 inch long. Okay, so overall length down here is about 10 inches. There's about 11.5. Up top, about 12 inches. It's a little thicker at the top, about 3 1/4. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.